nagbabalik ang schoolmates. So, syempre, before we actually get serious, kala mo di serious kanina. Medyo seryoso nung nalaman na natin yung kalahati ng buhay nila. Let's do an icebreaker muna, guys. So, medyo, sana magkakakilala na kayo ngayon. Kanina pa kayo nagsasalita. So, ito ang ating mechanics for our icebreaker. So, bawat guests, so, syempre, medyo listening instructions tayo today. Bawat guest ay may signboard na A and B. Please raise your A and B. Oh, perfect. 100%. Best in listening. Okay. So, babasahin ko, guys, ang tanong. And it's a would you rather situation, no? So, ito, may 3 seconds lang daw kayo to decide. So, kung ano yung na-feel nyo, ay, this is so me. This is so me coded. Yun na agad yung ilalabas nyo, guys. So, 3 seconds lang para pumili at magtaas ng inyong mga signs. No talking. Bawal uy, anong sagot mo? Okay, hindi to school, guys. Okay, so after 3 seconds, I will ask you guys, of course, bakit yun yung napili nyo. So, ready na ba kayong maiba? Charot. Joke lang. Okay, so game. Our first question was B. Would you rather A, one solid best friend for life, or B, iba-ibang best friends per era, high school, college, and adulting? Go! A! My God, guys. Paano ako magtatanong niya? Wala na iba. Charot, joke lang. Okay, sinong volunteer? Nicole. Wow, ako yung nag-volunteer. Nicole. Why A, though?
Maybe because I want somebody na parang ma-open ko kung ano yung past ko hanggang ano yung magiging buhay ko ngayon, magiging buhay ko sa future.
Right.
Kumbaga, doon ko na sa kanya i-share lahat ng mga plans ko, mga gusto ko sa
Oo.
buhay.
Oo.
Syempre, friend mo nga, parang isang one call away person mo din siya.
Okay.
So, hindi na para mag-iba-iba ka pa ng friends.
Oo.
Parang sa relationship, ayaw mo nang ulitin na, what's your favorite color?
Totoo. Ayaw mo na mag-slam book ng maraming beses, no? So, syempre, one time lang. Pero actually, yung one best friend for life doesn't necessarily mean you don't have other friends,
Yes.
right? It's just, there's just one person for you guys. Okay, sige, next. Danny, ikaw muna.
For me, one solid friend kasi I currently have a friend from 2nd grade na best friend ko pa rin po hanggang ngayon. And that friend saw the different versions of myself mula sa pagbuo ng pangarap hanggang sa working progress hanggang sa na-achieve ko na yung
Babae
pangarap
to, lalaki?
ko. Babae po.
Okay, kinabahan ako. Medyo pa feeling ko magkaibigan, ganun yung era nila. Cheers. Okay, thanks, Danny. Michael, ikaw. Ikaw medyo kakaiba ka kasi multiple friend groups. Pero gusto niya talaga one best friend for life. So, bakit?
Best
Okay. Babae, lalaki?
okay.
Okay.
Ano po? Kasi kapag iba-iba yung magiging best friend mo per era,
Oo.
pwede doon, halimbawa, yung dito sa era na to, nagkaroon kayo ng
Fall out, mga
Fall
ganun.
out.
Oo.
Masamang loob, gano'n.
Mm.
Ang mangyayari, may tendency pa po na mag-snitch.
Okay. So you would say you've made questionable decisions in your life. Okay. No joke. Okay.
Mag-snitch o kaya, magsabi siya ng
Bad things about
bad
you.
things.
Yeah. May trust issues ka, no? Joke lang. Okay. So next tayo, guys, no? So medyo I agree with the A. Kasi ako din, meron akong friend, guys, na half a decade na kami mag-best friend. So medyo alam niya na lahat about me. Okay, watch out. Shout out dyan sa taga Denmark. Goran, my best friend. Wow, okay. Sige. Would you rather na next question natin, no? Game. Chat araw-araw pero kumain ka na ang topic lang niya. Or B, usap once every 6 months pero biglang trauma dump. Whoa, okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my God, trauma dumper sila lahat, no? Feeling ko. Okay, bakit, Danny?
For me, I'd rather na yung every 6 months lang po or yung ganong span kasi it's draining na everyday tapos kumain ka na yung tanong, araw-araw naman akong kumakain kasi paano ako mabubuhay, di ba?
Bakit nga
Kung
naman?
hindi ako kakain. And siguro, it's a way of catching up na rin po sa nangyayari sa life nila. And it's letting them know na they have a shoulder to
Cry on.
po.
Love that. Syempre, no, guys, nauuso ngayon yung reels na parang, syempre, as adults, di ba? Every 6 months, pero may PowerPoint presentation ka for every month na nabuhay ka. Parang, ito yung highlight sa month 1, month 2, ganyan. So, okay, next naman tayo na would you rather? Would you rather A, low-maintenance friend na kahit mawala ka, okay lang? Or B, friend na magtatampo pag di ka nag-react sa story niya? A or B? Go! A! My God, guys, what lives are you living? Joke lang. Okay, Nicole, bakit?
Kasi meron akong na-encounter na friendship, hindi sa akin.
Okay. Ibang friendship.
Yes.
Ibang
Chismosa.
friendship. Okay, okay.
Hindi, may na-encounter akong friendship na gano'n, yung parang nagtatampo,
Oo,
nagsiselos.
Oo.
Like, for me, it is unhealthy.
Okay, so that's like a toxic friend for you.
Yeah, it is. Kasi, I mean, low maintenance friends mo,
Mm.
kahit hindi na kayo mag-usap, pero pag nagkita kayo, nag-meet kayo, uy, makakapag-catch up kayo, makakapagkwentuhan kayo ng kung ano-ano.
Right.
At least, di ba? Hindi siya yung tipo ng friend na hindi mo lang makausap, hindi ka lang magparamdam, wala na. Parang, hit.
But immature ka. Chors, di mo lang grabe, no? Okay, next question. Would you rather A, ikaw yung laging nag-a-adjust? Or B, ikaw yung biglang natutong mag-set ng boundaries? Ikaw yung laging nag-a-adjust? Or ikaw yung biglang natutong mag-set ng boundaries? A or B? Ay, yun yung kakaiba. Okay. Ay, oh my God. Okay, ikaw. What would you say, Michael, is why you want to be the one who always adjusts?
Siyempre, ako sa sarili ko, para maging kaibigan ko yun, para from the benefit na sa akin, from the benefit din sa kanya, siyempre, sa kanya, meron ka rin matututunan mga lessons, mga life lessons. Mag-adjust ka. Lalo na kapag yung kaibigan, parang naging importante na rin sa'yo. Minsan kasi may mga biglaang pagkakataon na, nag-away kayo. May nakita kang personality na bago sa kanya, ay bago sa paningin mo. Siyempre, kung magsiset ka ng boundary, ay kapag ganito nangyari, wala na. Siyempre, ikaw, para mabigyang importansya yung pagkakaibigan mo. Pagkakaibigan nyo, siyempre, papalagaan mo na mag-adjust ka.
So, mas gusto mo yung learning na, okay, I know what kind of person this is. I'll be the bigger person. So that if I cannot, yun ba yun? Parang, you wanna be the bigger person always? Kasi parang yung what I'm getting from what you're saying is that, okay, kung may bad stuff about this person, but I wanna keep the friendship, na mag-adjust?
That's one thing, na mag-adjust ka.
Pero ano yung second? Joke lang.
Pangalawa, kausapin mo bilang kaibigan. Kausapin mo bilang kaibigan. Tol, pati yung ginawa.
So, mas gusto mo na yung first reaction mo muna is you'd understand them first. Tas you'd explain later.
Baka mamaya
Okay.
na sila nag-push.
Love that. Okay. Okay, ikaw, Nicole, bakit letter B ang napili mo naman?
Kasi,
Nagsiset ng boundaries. Yeah.
kasi minsan kapag nag-a-adjust ka, nakakapuno din.
Okay.
Like, minsan, umabot na sa point na fed up ako
Oo.
na mag-adjust.
Yeah.
So, like, ayaw mong tumino.
Oo.
Bye-bye.
Oo. Bye,
Bye.
girl. Okay. Is this friend a girl or a guy? Na parang
Circle siya, actually.
okay. So parang, syempre may shared culture na kasi in
Oo.
groups, right? So
But-
parang mas ganon.
Pero hindi sila, yung parang masama na
Oo.
kind of circle. Siguro meron lang akong sariling perspective when it comes to friendship. So, like, parang may nakita akong hindi ko nagustuhan or like, hindi siya magandang influence for me. Siyempre, bye-bye.
Ano masasabi mo kay Michael na gusto niya mag-adjust? Ilang friendships ang dinaanan mong ganyan, Michael? Charot.
Kaya pa ba?
Kaya pa ba? Kaya pa naman. Ayan, so syempre guys, no, so I hope you guys enjoyed ang ating icebreaker. Nag-enjoy ako masyado. Ako ang nag-enjoy, guys. So, I hope na medyo you got to know a bit about each other and of course yourselves about what kind of friendships you're tolerating. So, let's get right into it sa ating main topic, no? So, about seasonal and low-maintenance friendships. May concept nga daw na seasonal friendships, ito yung mga kaibigang sakto lang sa isang season ng buhay mo. Like, pag tapos ng high school phase, okay, it's new me. Trisha B is back in college. Ganon, yun yung ganon vibes, di ba? And then kapag tapos ka na sa college, okay, medyo na ako, prim and proper na ako, adulting na ako, bye friends, iba na ulit yung friendship groups ko. Or nandun ka rin naman sa healing phase na ibang group naman ulit ang gusto mong kasama. Pero meron din naman daw tinatawag na bukod sa seasonal friendships ay mga low maintenance friendships also, no? So we'll tackle more on that later. Sa inyo, ano ang definition nyo or ano ang kaibahan nitong seasonal friendships sa mga outgrowing friendships ninyo? Do you still try to get in touch with these seasonal friends or do you really completely cut off from your seasonal friends? Di na kita tatanungin, alam ko sagot mo, Danny. Okay.
Yung seasonal friends po kasi, you become friends with that person kasi meron kayong common ground.
Okay.
And yung friend na na-outgrow mo, it's because hindi na kayo in tune sa isa't isa. So technically, yung seasonal friend, yun yung friend na mawawala man siya sa phase ng buhay mo kasi na-overcome mo na yung specific phase na kasama mo siya, pwede mo pa rin siyang makausap. Pero yung outgrown friends mo, siguro mas mahirap nang makipag-communicate sa kanila.
So talagang for you, outgrowing means cutting them off. And then seasonal is like, okay, every once in a while, parang to reminisce, you get in touch with them. Ikaw, Nicole, like, na different din yung friend groups mo and you also have that similar setup.
I do talk with my seasonal friends.
Mm-mm.
So, wala namang something big when
Mm-mm.
talking to them kasi nga, bihira mo lang naman sila makasama.
Mm.
And kung may napagsamahan man kami, hindi ganun kalaki. Unlike dun sa mga na-outgrow din na friends, to be
Mm.
honest. For me, pagdating sa outgrowing friendship, siguro, if na-cut off ko na, dun na yun.
Yun na yun, like,
Oo.
end of it.
Pero there's this one time na may na-cut off akong friend ko.
Oo.
So, hanggang umabot sa point na na-miss ko din naman.
Mm-mm.
Still, nakipag-connect ako sa kanya.
Yeah.
So, kaya hanggang ngayon.
Ex ba to? Joke lang. Ganun yung feeling. Joke lang. Yeah. So, it's a friend na parang from outgrown. Parang, okay, parang I wanna reminisce with this
Yes.
person
Yes.
ulit. So, yeah. So, they became another seasonal
Yes.
friendship for you. So, guys, parang, imagine mo, di kita tinanong, di ba? So, ikaw ang susunod na sasagot nito. So, parang what do you think is the lesson to be learned with your seasonal friends? Do you think it's, are you okay to let go of that kind of friendship without bitterness? Or is it something na you want to reminisce time and time again? Or is it something na you think will be able to evolve further? Kahit seasonal friends lang sila, parang at some point in my life, kaya I keep them around is because, I know that at some point, I'll be trying to go back with them again.
Sa mga seasonal friends ko. Though hindi,
Mm-mm.
pero friends ko.
Sa Facebook. Ibang definition din yung friends, no? Sa Facebook. Okay. You think that it's like the different parang seasons of your life is something just to be cherished. Pero are you happy? Parang kapag kunwari, nakita mo lang sila sa feed mo, do you still have that urge na, chat ko nga to na, parang ganon. May ganon ka bang feeling? Or okay ka na looking at them from afar? Ganon.
Nung bata ako, nung teenager pa ako, na sa isip ko, parang na-outface na nila ako. Parang,
Nagkaka-comparison ka. Oo.
nauna na nila ako. Pero, nung nag-college na, habang lumalaki ako, nare-realize ko na, okay lang pala na ma-outpace ako. As long as, nandun pa rin ako sa track ng buhay ko na maging successful sa buhay.
Correct. So parang at some point that kind of seasonal friendship also teaches you na it's okay. I don't need to compare myself. That's a different chapter
Yes.
already of their life. So love that. So ngayon naman, pag-usapan naman natin ang low maintenance friendships kasi I think this is being loosely interchanged, no? Yung seasonal friendships and low maintenance friendships. So ang low maintenance friendships daw ay yung kahit hindi kayo nag-uusap araw-araw, secure pa rin kayo in knowing that you have each other's back. So meron ba kayong mga kaibigang ganito? And ano yung feeling ng ganitong klaseng friendship at sino ba sila? Name drop. Charot, joke lang. Okay, Danny, ikaw muna.
Sa akin po, meron, dalawa po. Yung isa po, nabuo noong grade 8 po kami. Tapos yung isa naman po, noong grade 10 po kami. Tapos hanggang ngayon po, we get in touch with each other. Tapos noong namatay po yung mama ko po, nagulat po ako kasi pumunta po talaga sila sa funeral ng mama ko. Sobrang unexpected kasi ilang taon po kaming hindi nag-usap dahil busy po sa college. And it's nice to have them around kasi every time na may achievement po yung bawat isa sa amin, we celebrate that po even without having a conversation every day.
Right. So, ito naman, more of a question to you guys as like a whole, no? So, paano nyo napapanatili yung, I guess yung secured feeling na they're still your friends, even though bihira kayo mag-usap? Nicole?
Siguro, understanding lang na meron silang ibang priority sa buhay, meron silang ibang, tawag dito, circle din na sinasamahan.
Right. Nagsiselos ka ba? Pag kunwari yung low maintenance friends, parang, bakit siya yung kasama niya? Parang hindi ko yung trip dati. Charot, joke.
Hindi, kasi may sarili din akong circle dito.
So doon ka nag-rant sa kanila.
Yes.
Charot. Ganun pala yun, no? Okay.
So, mga friends ko kasi yun sa province. So, like, pag nakikita ko na, parang may mga kasama sila or may na-achieve sila sa buhay nila, okay, congrats.
Yun na yung parang way mo to still stay in their life.
Yes,
Okay,
oo.
okay. So, pero guys, when it comes to, siguro last question na lang, no, to your like low maintenance friends, how would you say that your friendship is growing kung low maintenance nga sila? Siguro, last question sa'yo.
Ay, sa recently ko lang, mga college peeps ko.
Oo. Yan. Sino yan? Charot. Sino mga kasama yung nagkakating? The joke. Okay.
Puro babae kasi sila.
Ladies, man. Oh my God. May chick boy tayo, guys. Joke lang. Joke lang. Okay, go.
Ano kasi ko, lalaki sa...
Mm-mm.
Kaya puro babae mga... Ngayon sa dalawa kaming lalaki na. Parang, sa tingin ko yung parang nag-grow kami kahit na bihira na lang kami sa heart lang ng mga my day.
Okay. So parang alam mo lang na, pinapanood pa ako nito. Basher ko pa rin to. Joke lang. Basher ko pa rin to. So, okay. Thanks so much, no? So, alright. For this one, let's cut off muna. Marami pa tayong pag-uusapan. So, sana mas marami pa kayong kwento kasi mas marami akong tanong mamaya. So, lahat ng yan ay sa pagbabalik lamang ng Schoolmates.